his screens. And more breaking news coming in right now from all right, Shiromani Akali Dal is now mounting attack on the Aam Aadmi Party government. Aam Aadmi Party, remember, leads the government in Punjab, and Shiromani Akali Dal is now blaming the lack of security cover for Sukhbir Singh Badal. Remember, it is day 2 of sacrilege, and yesterday too we saw Sukhbir Singh Badal washing the toilets, washing the dishes, and that was his that is the religious punishment that he has to carry out, that he has to face by the Akal Takht. And today was day 2 of that. He was entering the temple, Harmandir Sahib, as a Sevadar. And my colleague Lalit is joining us live on the broadcast from Ground Zero. So is my colleague Shivangi Shukla from the newsroom. I'll go across to Lalit very quickly. Lalit, tell us more updates. We are getting in information on this man, Khalistani terrorist Chaura. He was overpowered after that gunshot was fired, and now we know that he has a history of cases behind him, including a UAPA case.
Right now what we are also learning from the police people that the person who has been arrested, who opened fire at the deputy CM Sukhbir Singh Badal around 9:30 a.m. Outside the premises of Golden Temple, he has a history of criminal records. So he has already been arrested, and police is now interrogating him and trying to find out what was the motive behind trying to shoot at Sukhbir Singh Badal. But before that, let me show you the visual here outside the premises of Golden Temple, where around 9:30 when Sukhbir Singh Badal was performing his second day of punishment as a Tankhaiya, which was being directed by the 6th highest temporal body Akal Takht on 2nd of December. So today was the second day. This is the place where Sukhbir Singh Badal was sitting as a security guard, wearing a chola, blue color chola, outside the golden premises, when at 9:30 a.m. Narendra Singh Chaura tried to open fire at the deputy CM Sukhbir Singh Badal. The security personnel around Sukhbir Singh Badal tried to overcome, and the black spot which can be seen on the white marble outside the golden premises, there the gunshot was hit. So luckily Sukhbir Singh Badal was saved, and immediately the person has been arrested. Other than that, if you talk about now, heavy security deployment with the CISS staff and the Punjab anti-riot police can be seen outside the Golden Temple. So the highest Sikh temporal body Akal Takht on 2nd of December have given the verdict to Sukhbir Singh Badal at the Tankhaiya, where he has to do seva as a guard, and after that he has to hear the kirtan. So now Sukhbir Singh Badal has gone inside the Golden Temple, where for an hour now he would be listening to the kirtan, and after that now from 11 a.m. till 12 he would be washing the utensils as a punishment which has been directed by the Akal Takht, the highest temporal body of the 6th. But an attempt was done to fire at Sukhbir Singh Badal, the former deputy CM, but the guards and the Sevadars here, vigilant, tried to hold him, and the way the gun fire was missed and it was fired in openly. So the place where the gunshot was hit, there are black spot can be seen here outside the golden premises. Sukhbir Singh Badal is safe and sound, but yes, now heavy security deployment can be seen outside the Golden Temple. Now the senior Akali leaders have alleged over the Aam Aadmi Party that no security cover has been given to the Sukhbir Singh Badal, and it seems that it was an attempt somehow to assassinate Sukhbir Singh Badal. heavy security and chaos can be seen outside the Golden Temple here in Amritsar. Back to the studio.
Yes, Lalit, I'll just come across to you. I'll just go across to you, Shivangi. You know, as Lalit was pointing out, that there are many questions on security. And remember, this is the Golden Temple, this is Harmandir Sahib, and thousands and lakhs of people throng to the temple, not just from across the country, but also across the world. And it is, of course, a big destination, big religious destination for the tourists also who come and explore India. And there has to be, of course, high security, and especially when someone like a Sukhbir Singh Badal, it was day 2 of his penance, it was day 2 of that sacrilege punishment that he is facing. And now the political face-off is unfolding, all questions being raised on Aam Aadmi Party government.
Shiromani Akali Dal has put the blame clearly on the Aam Aadmi Party government, saying that there was definitely an issue when it comes to the law and order situation. I just want to read out what the Aam Aadmi Party is saying. They're saying that the attack shows that there is law and order situation in Punjab is out of control, and it says that criminals are roaming freely in Punjab. Law and order situation is completely broken down. The government has failed on in this front. Nothing is being done. You can see an attack at the gate of the Golden Temple. So this is what the Shiromani Akali Dal is saying, that our party has been saying time and again that the law and order situation is deplorable in Punjab. So this is coming at the backdrop of the assassination attempt on Sukhbir Singh Badal. Remember, this is coming in as, like you pointed out, he was serving his penance. But there is one person apprehended. The Khalistani terror link has come out. Narayan Singh Chora. Now, he has done jail time. He was released on bail. He has served 5 years in jail. I repeat, he has served. He's called a Khalistani leader. Served 5 years in jail, was released in 2018, and he was granted bail in 2018 by the Taran court under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. He's a history sheeter. He was arrested in 2013. He was booked in dozen cases, including one under Explosive Act, also under cases under the UAPA and other districts. So this is the Pakistan link also is coming out in a way, because Narayan Chora apparently had crossed over to Pakistan. This is what the police had said back in 2018 when he was released on bail. So we will keep a very close eye on the story and track it from the newsroom.
Lalit, if you're still there with us on the broadcast, now Shiromani Akali Dal leader Daljit Singh Cheema has demanded a judicial inquiry. He's demanded a high-level judicial inquiry into this incident also. Now, what are you picking up? Is there any clarity as far as the motive behind this attack is concerned? As the Khalistani terrorist has, as Shivangi was pointing out, that he's a history sheeter. There are many cases that includes UAPA charges against him. Does it have to do anything with the sacrilege case, or what was the motive here?
Right now he has been apprehended. He has been arrested by 9:30 a.m. He was arrested when he tried to open fire at Sukhbir Singh Badal. But right now, what was the motive behind that? It is yet to be confirmed, as now police is investigating and interrogating as per the Punjab police officials. But if we talk about the way it was fired around 9:30 a.m. The vigilant security guards and the Sevadars somehow protected a big mishap that could happen when Narendra Singh Chora tried to open fire at the former Deputy CM Sukhbir Singh Badal, who was performing seva as a tankhaiya outside the Golden 8. So it was the second day when Narendra Singh Chora opened fire. Let me show you once again the visuals here on the Golden Temple, a black spot which can be seen. This is a gunshot which hit the Golden Temple, which was trying to hit former Deputy CM Sukhbir Singh Badal. Apart from that, if you talk about now, the senior Akali leader Daljit Singh Cheema have asked for a judicial probe into this whole matter. And other than that, if we talk about now, they have even leveled allegations against the Aam Aadmi Party that no security cover was being provided to the former Deputy CM Sukhbir Singh Badal. Now, these type of allegations have been levelled by the senior Akali leader Daljit Singh Cheema. Sukhbir Singh Badal have now gone inside the Golden Temple, where he is listening to the Kirtan as being directed by the highest temporal body, Akal Takht directions. He is now listening to the Kirtan from 10 till 11. He would listen to the Kirtan, and after that he would be doing the cleaning of the utensils as being directed by the highest temporal body, Akal Takht. But yes, a big attempt was being done to somehow assassinate Sukhbir Singh Badal, former Deputy CM, but the vigilant security guards and the sevadars have apprehended the person who tried to fire, Narinder Singh Chora, who has been said to be a criminal history sheeter. Now, police is interrogating each and every detail, what was the motive behind it. But yes, from 2007 till 2017, the religious misconduct for which the Sukhbir Singh Badal has been found guilty by the highest temporal body, Akal Takht. For that, he has already given the forgiveness from the Akal Takht, and it was the second day of the seva of the punishment outside the golden premises when this gunfire was being shot. So you can see these are the visuals outside the golden premises, where now Harsimran Kaur Badal could be seen here, the wife of Sukhbir Singh Badal. She has also reached in the Golden Temple. So these are the visuals you can see from the Republic TV camera. Harsimran Kaur Badal, the MP from Akali Dal, could be seen entering the golden premises. So she has entered inside the golden premises. Now she is here. A lot of activities can be seen outside the Golden Temple. From this gate, the cameras are not